How do you know if your mini split is heating properly? Today I'm going to show you how to check temperature split on a mini split in the heat mode, and I'm going to show you the pressures and temperatures of our lines on the outdoor unit. So first, we got two probes. You can use one if you want. The unit is in the heating mode. I'm checking the return air temperature, which it looks like it's 61 degrees. See that? 60 degrees right there. And this is where we're pulling in the air, so that's the return air. Then I'm going to take my other probe and I'm going to put it in line with the supply air temperature. Now be careful. You don't want to put the probe too far into the unit right here where the vane opens and closes, because if you stick it too far in, it's going to hit the blower wheel and you're going to break the blower wheel, and then you're going to have no performance out of your mini split because it's broken now and you got to order a part. So don't do that. You see that top number? It says 102, right? So right now we got a 40-degree temperature split between our return and supply. During the cooling mode, you should have a temperature split of at least 20 for a mini split. So that means if you're pulling in 70 degrees, you need to be pumping out 50 during cooling. During heating, you have even a higher temperature split. So we should have at least 30 degrees. Some mini splits have different performances, but this is an EG4 mini split. This is a solar hybrid AC/DC mini split. And right now we got a 40-degree temperature split between the air we're pulling in and the air we're pushing out, which is fantastic. Now let's go look at the pressures and the temperature of our lines outside. We're at the outdoor unit. I've got my gauges connected. We're using the high side gauge, the red high side hose, and the 1/4 inch to 5/16 adapter so we can connect to our service access fitting. Look at the pressures. We're reading 396. And in the heating mode, you're going to have higher pressure than during the cooling mode. Here's our temperature probe. We're measuring the hot gas line. It's 98.9, so it's almost 100 degrees right now. During the cooling mode, this is carrying a low pressure vapor, so we may have pressures at 100 psig, but in heating, it's going to be over 300 psig. And during heating, we're carrying a hot gas. We're carrying a high pressure, high temperature vapor. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and smash that bell, ding, so you know what I'm doing.